Well, Amit Shah is taking it all by himself, all alone in the state of West Bengal. The Prime Minister is on his visit to the Northeast. He's outlined his smart police vision earlier on in the day, addressing country's top cops. In the DGP conference in Guwahati, Narendra Modi kept the agenda limited to the much-needed police reforms. And though reserved for the end, the most interesting part was the speech that talked about the push for a smart police force. The Prime Minister went on to break up the word smart, making it an acronym. S for strict but sensitive police force. He said M should stand for modern and a more mobile police force. The police force should be alert and accountable, at the same time reliable and responsible, and be more technologically savvy and well trained.
जिस व्यवस्था के पास उत्तम प्रकार की गुप्तचर व्यवस्था होती है, उस व्यवस्था को कभी भी न शस्त्रधारी की जरूरत पड़ती है, न कभी शस्त्र की जरूरत पड़ती है, और शस्त्र के उपयोग की तो कभी आवश्यकता ही नहीं रहती है। और इसलिए रक्षा के क्षेत्र में सुरक्षा के विषय पर सर्वाधिक महत्वपूर्ण कोई इकाई होती है तो वो होता है गुप्तचर तंत्र।
Well, Prime Minister's address there mainly focused on the police reforms. His near 20-minute speech outlined a 4-point agenda for the police reforms, first being the need to recognize, honor and learn from the on-duty deaths of nearly 33,000 policemen since independence. Secondly, ensuring welfare of policemen and their families to lessen the stress. He also spoke about the urgent need to improve the image of the police among public, including a measure to begin websites for all police stations and the need for smart police.
33,000 बलिदान व्यर्थ नहीं जाने चाहिए। समाज में उनके प्रति सम्मान कैसे बढ़े? वो भी तो किसी मां का लाल था और ड्यूटी के लिए मरा है वो। अगर उसके परिवार में सुख और संतोष शांति नहीं होगा तो वो ड्यूटी नहीं कर पाएगा। वो कितना ही त्यागी, तपस्वी, बलिदानी अफसर होगा तो भी परिवार की बेचैनी उसको बेचैन बनाती है कि हम पुलिस परिवार के वेलफेयर के लिए कोई सिस्टमैटिक व्यवस्थाएं विकसित कर सकते हैं क्या? कि मूवी ने पता नहीं पुलिस को ऐसा पेंट करके रखा हुआ है। मैंने अभी बहुत कम ऐसी मूवी देखी कि जहां पुलिस के त्याग और तपस्या की कोई कथा आई हो और उसके कारण जनमानस पर ऐसी छवि बन गई है। हमने स्पेशली एफर्ट्स करने चाहिए।
Many firsts in this DG conference in Guwahati. The Prime Minister's address spoke about everything but matters of internal security, terrorism, Al-Qaeda, clearly staying away from all these topics. He focused on boosting the morale of the men in uniform, talking about their sacrifice and the amount of effort they have put to make the country's internal security safe and secure. He talked about smart policing, giving each letter a meaning and saying that the policemen should make an effort to highlight the good work that they do. He even spoke about enrolling the Bollywood and taking them into a platform to talk about the good work that the men in uniform do. Clearly, many firsts in this conference with the Prime Minister, also informally meeting the DGs and thereafter meeting the CMs of the 7 states. The Prime Minister likes to do things his own way, break conventions and embark a new journey, and that is what he wished to do when he said that this conference was held in Northeast because he wanted to boost the morale of this region and also do a fresh brainstorming session where people, all the officers did not carry baggage from their homes. With camera person Pinaki Sen in Guwahati, for Headlines Today, this is Mosmi Singh.